Hello everyone, good afternoon. Everyone, is my screen and my voice clear? Okay everyone, just give me a thumbs up. Okay. So everyone is ready with their materials? Any doubt? Okay. So everyone, we are starting with our batch from today. Today we are going to learn oil pastel artwork. In this batch, we'll be learning in different mediums, in oil pastels, watercolors, acrylics, pencil shading, some mixed media, and much more. I hope you all are excited. Just check that everyone that your names are mentioned so that I can call your name. Try to keep your cameras on. Perfect. Okay, everyone. So for today's drawing, keep your oil pastels, normal black sketch pen, pencil eraser, and scale. So everyone, for every class, recording will be provided. Okay. So if in case you miss any class, you can watch the recording and complete your work. Okay. After every session, you have to share your work in the group as well as personally to me for checking. Okay. Yes. All right. Come on. Let's start. Get ready. So everyone, we are going to draw swans today. Okay. And you can see the background. We are showing night. Okay. The main intention of this artwork is to learn oil pastel blending. Okay. You can see the background, mixing of colors that we are going to learn in this. Okay. First step, we are going to start with the outline. Once outline is completed, we will start with the sketch pen outline and then we will start with the coloring. Okay. So everyone, first I will show you small part. You all have to just observe. Okay. And once I'm completed, you all can start. Keep showing your work in between. Come on, let's begin now. So hold your book in a horizontal manner. Use the entire page, okay? Whether you're using A4 size book or A3 size, use the complete page, okay? Come on. So first step, we will start with the left side, okay? Left side swan. We have to draw it big, everyone, okay? So this moon is exactly in the center of the page, okay? Let's draw this first. Exactly in the center. Try drawing it freehand without using any circular object. Okay, come on, let's see. Horizontal book. Okay, this is the center of my book. Slightly up, we have to add circle. So everyone, while drawing circle, instead of drawing it directly, draw it in 2 steps. See here, center. I'm going little bit up, 2 finger distance up. And then I'm adding a circle up over here. Draw a alphabet C curve. Come on, Radhika, Vaishnavi, you all can start. Use your pencil, medium pressure. And other side, opposite curve. So you will get it perfect. Come on, make this part and show your work. I'm waiting. Take your time. Come on, Nanshri, Shera, Hanisha, Dibanjana. Yes. From center, 2-finger distance up. Exactly in the center, we have to add. Come on, Arna, Gauri. Yes. Okay, Arjun, perfect. Just show me once done. Come on, Arna, we have just started. Okay, Hanisha. Everyone, what we have done first, recognize the center. Go 2-finger distance up and add moon. Okay. That's it. Okay, Sanvi. Done Anshul, Vedant, Siddharth, Radhika, Ashmit, Sanika, Sanvi. Yes, correct, Anshul. Okay, Shara, perfect. Everyone, you can erase this center dot, okay? Its work is done. That was just for reference. Erase the center dot, make it clear. Okay. Sakshat Samhita, we have just started with the moon, okay? Slightly up from the center. Okay, Radhika, Ankita. Now, everyone, we will complete the left swan now. Observe its shape first. Nanshri, from center, little bit up. Center, little bit up, 2-finger distance, and we have added moon. Yes. So, everyone, we will start with the swan now. We will start with the face. We have to use slanting oval shape first, like this. This part. Observe it. So, next to moon, let it get overlapped, no problem. We have to add oval shape, flat oval shape. Same step I am following. I'm drawing it in 2 steps, not directly. Making first curve, then second curve, like this. Let it get overlapped. Ashmit, this circle, you can take 2 centimeter radius for the moon. I want it to get overlapped. Okay. I'm using same size paper, so I'm following same step. Oval shape. Draw this first. Draw it big. Show me once completed. Okay. Anshul, correct. Radhika. Okay. Radhika, your circle has got a little bit small. Make it big. Vaishnavi, check this curve. When you're showing, come slightly close to the camera, everyone. Yes. Yuvika, check the moon circle. Oval is correct. Come on, Vedant. Shera, correct. Shera, you can erase overlapping line. Okay, Samhita. Samhita, check that moon is in the center. Okay. Nice, Sanvi. Sanika, well done. Sanvi, you're using A3 size. A3 size paper. So draw it a little bit more big. Okay, Arjun. Okay. Nice, Vaishnavi. Now it's correct. Okay. Hanisha, Shera, well done. Everyone see, we have added oval shape here. Slanting, first curve, second curve, join it. Erase this part, make it clear. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Come on, Tanvi. Now, we will first complete the body part, then we will add eye and beak. Okay. Observe the line. We have to go down, slight curve. Okay. From here, slight curve, going down. For the neck part, use your hand like a rounder, everyone. Slightly hold pencil little bit far and make a nice curve. Yes. Come on. Hold it a little bit far. See, you will get a nice curve. Correct? Come on, Spruha. Come on, Vedant. Let's make this curve now. Take this oval, extend the line like this. Yes, how much long you will make? At least 5 centimeter. If you start from here, at least 5 centimeter down. Use scale just for your reference. 4 to 5 centimeter down. That much long. Okay, Radhika. Done, Tanvi. Ishwar started. Debanjana, show your work. Yes. Okay, Tanvi. Okay. Anshul, perfect. Well done. Now everyone see here. From this line, I'm leaving small space. How much space you can leave? 1.5 centimeter gap you can leave. Okay. See, like this. 1.5 gap between two lines for the neck part. 0 to 1.5. Yes, Radhika, show 1.5 centimeter. Yes, okay, Radhika, correct. Radhika, just check this line, 5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter gap, and we have to make a shape like a S, make a wavy line like this. Very good, Ishwar. Well done. Everyone gap 1.5 and then make a curve like a S. Use curve lines. Yes, okay, Tanvi, correct. Tanvi, see this part is more curve. Come on, Spruha, Debanjana, keep doing. Yes, Sanvi, start with the next curve. Sanika, perfect. I'm showing it here again, okay? See, 1.5 centimeter gap. You can add reference dot. Make a line like a S. In this way. Come on, Vedant. Ankita, correct? Yes, Shera, perfect. Okay, Vedant. If you want its height, 7 centimeter it is. From oval shape, 7 centimeter down. No problem if your is big, 8. No problem. Very good, Arjun. Ashmit completed. Vaishnavi, Anshul, Siddharth. Okay. Ashmit, correct? Ashmit, see, this gap is not more, just check. Otherwise, take this line little bit inwards. Siddharth, well done. Okay. Yuvika, Tanvi, slightly erase this line from down. See the gap. Everyone keep showing your work so that if there is any correction, I will let you know. Okay. Yes. Hanisha, Debinjana, okay. Well done. Okay, Shara, it's 5. No problem. Now, everyone, we have added this and this line. Now we have to start with the wing part. Wing part is important. Okay. You have to show it big and nice ends are pointed. See? So do this part nicely, everyone. Observe it first. Okay. Vaishnavi, Radhika, correct. See this line, everyone. You have to make a U shape here. See? U shape. Like this. Make a nice curve. Yes. Do it with me. We will split it in parts. Come on. Make this U shape. Yes. Do with me, everyone, step by step. Okay. Now, everyone, see the next line. It's a wavy line. Observe it first. It's the opposite S. See? Like this. It's a wavy line. Here, the U ends. Opposite S. Yes, Tanvi, good. See, everyone. First, we made U. Okay, U shape. Then opposite S, we have to use. See, you have to go inwards and then make a curve like this. Yes, Tanvi, Shera, good. Everyone check that this line is not touching here, okay? There should be small gap for background color. How much centimeter long? See, I can tell you from here, okay? From this part, 10 centimeter long. From here, 10 centimeter up in a slanting manner. Okay, come on. Show me the shape once you have got it. Yes. See everyone, first U shape, then opposite S shape we have added. Okay. Come on, Arjun, Hanisha, Ishwar, Samhita, Sakshat. Okay. Anshul, nice. It's okay, 8.5, no problem. Anshul, slightly extend if you feel that it's small. Take your time, I'm waiting. Okay, now Anshul, correct. Ishwar, good. Ishwar, slightly extend line and see this curve is going down. Okay, your curve is going upwards. Yes. Show me Sakshat, Samhita, Siddharth, correct? Nice. Very good, Arjun. Yes. Come on, Sakshat, show me. Okay, Samhita. Okay. It's okay, Anshul, no problem. Just the shape should be perfect, okay? Okay, Radhika, great. Now everyone see the oval shape that we have added for face. You have to erase this part, make it clear. Slowly erase it. Everyone, can we start with the wing? Let's start adding details. See the lines, everyone. The ends of the wing part should be pointed. Okay. See how it is? We have to start from up. line going inwards like this. Make a V shape, line going inwards. Like this, we have to continue. What you can do, everyone, see, make a curve like this for your reference so that you can follow this curve line while going down. See, in this way. V shape, go inside. V shape, go inside. Like this, you have to continue. And as you go down, slightly make shape small. See? Small as you go down and do it till here. Okay? Make this curve for your reference. It will be easy. Make the curve and show me, and then you can start. See, make a curve in this manner. Yes, you will, Tanvi, good. Come on, let's see this part again. I'm doing it on my final sheet now. First part, line going inwards. Now, second part, make a V shape, go inwards. Add a curved line for your reference in this way. I'm drawing it lightly, everyone. Come on, let's start making. Keep doing, everyone. V shape, go inside. Make the ends pointed. Come on, do it like this. I'm waiting. Yes, okay, Radhika. Just check this first part. Make it pointed a little bit. Yes, okay, Radhika. Perfect. Yes, Arjun, show. Yes, Arjun, go a little bit more inwards. See, down till the neck part you have to do. Extend. Correct, Sanika. See, everyone, this part you have to do it till neck. Neckline. Yes. Sanvi, see the last few parts, make them little small. Okay. Yes, Ashmit, let me check. Ashmit, see this part, little bit got wrong. From here, erase two parts and go little bit inwards in curve manner. Add this line for your reference. You will get it perfect. Radhika, good. Yes. Yes, Arna, correct. Any difficulty in this, anyone? You want me to show it again? Anshul, Anisha, Ishwar. Yes, Arjun, good. Arjun, if you feel that they are close, slightly extend this part and make this line down. Okay, adjust this part. Okay, Vaishnavi, nice. Good work. You can erase the reference line that we have made. Very good, Shara. See what we have done, everyone. Once the wing part is done, okay, till here, we have made first part, second part like this. Then we have added a curve line in this way for our reference. And then continue this line, V shape, extend it, V shape, extend. Like this we have to do. As you go down, reduce its size. Okay. Very good, Tanvi. Perfect. Got it, Hanisha? Yes, Ashmit, now it's good. Yes. Now the tail part. See here. Okay, Arjun, now it's nice. Can we move forward, everyone? Sakshat, Samhita, good. Ishwar, everyone done? Okay, Sanvi. Yes. Now everyone take this U as your reference. Put your finger here and just go on left side. That will be your reference dot for the tail part. Come on. Take this U, just go on right, left side. And here start with the tail. Like this. Yes, exactly on left. You have to go. Make a curve going down. Okay, got it, everyone? Vedant, Vaishnavi, take this as a reference. Make a U shape and a curve line going down. No need to join this part, okay? Because here we are going to show water. So line will be wavy like this. Wavy line we have to add. Ground line. Okay, Anshul. Yes, you can add this line now to connect. Any doubt, anyone till here? Everyone with me? Okay, Ashmit. Okay, Radhika. Wavy line here, everyone. Okay, great, Sanika. Now we can start with the eyes and beak. Okay. So everyone, eyes, we have to use a circle and two small circles inside it for highlight that we are going to keep blank. Okay. Draw it exactly in the middle of your oval shape. Okay. See here, middle part of the oval, half curve, other half, make circle in two steps. Two small circles for highlight. Okay. You can make one big, one small. Got it, everyone? Let's see the beak now. You can see here it's starting from inside of the oval shape. Okay, see here, you have to make a small rectangular shape like this. Rectangular shape. Then you have to start with the beak, slight curve, go inwards, join to this part. I'm erasing overlapping lines so that it will be clear. See, rectangular shape. Then start with the beak. Second part of the beak will touch to the oval. Come on, do this part now. Yes, very nice, Arjun. Yes, Radhika. Done, Vedant. And Sakshat, Samhita. Come on, show me. Yes, correct, Anshul. Overlapping line, erase it. Same to you, Hanisha. Great, Vedant. Well done. Nice, Sanika. Any difficulty, anyone? In the beak part? Vaishnavi, Vedant, Ashmit, okay. Yes, Vaishnavi, first part of the beak is little bit big. Slightly extend it more. Ishwar, Siddharth, Ankita, Gauri. Okay, great, Shara. Okay, Tanvi. Nice, Pruha. Okay, perfect. The first swan is completed here. Everyone see here in the wing part, we have to add U shapes for more details. Okay, add it in few parts only, like this. U shapes for showing feather effect. In few parts only. Okay, that's it. Come on, Nanshri. Okay, Nanshri, nice, correct. Can we start with the next one? Okay. Anshul, see this part, this line you need to erase and make once again. Check this. This line is big. Just change this part. Okay. Now the second swan. Same step we have to follow. We will start with the face with the oval. Okay, oval shape. Come on, let's do it. So everyone, between them, very small gap. Okay. Yes. Come on, let's make oval shape, slight slanting. I'm making first curve. Second curve. We want them similar. Come on, Sanvi. Shara, go a little bit more close to the face. Yes. See, my gap is just 1 centimeter. You can keep 2 centimeter gap, no problem. Okay, Radhika. Yes, and just check this length of oval and this length. Okay, they should be little similar. Gap 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter is okay. Okay, Arjun, if you have more space, slightly shift it to the right. Okay, yes, perfect. Oval shape, everyone first. This part is completed. Can I keep this paper here? Come on, let's see the next part. Let's start with this curve. Similar to this. Yes, you can take same measurement. Mine is 5.5 from here till down, 5.5. Yes, Sanika, I've kept it here. Come on, Ashmit. Everyone, you can start. Very good, Ishwar. Okay, Ashmit. Now, everyone, same gap we have to leave, just like first one, 1.5. From here, 1.5. And then start with the curve. Opposite S shape we have to make, similar to this, but opposite. Come on, Anna. Yes, very good, Radhika. You can see it's in a slanting manner. Okay. Very good, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, slightly extend this curve more down, going little inwards. Okay, great, Anna. Yes, centimeter for this. See, from oval, slanting 8 centimeter. From here, 8 centimeter. Okay, Arjun. Arjun, slightly extend more. Make this part curve. Come on, Siddharth. Okay, Shara. Depending upon space, adjust it. Okay, Arjun, now it's correct. Sakshat Samhita, got it? Spruha Ishwar. Okay, Anshul. Have erased this part of oval. Nice, Vaishnavi. Now we have to make wing. Let's add reference line so it will be easy. Let's make a S curve starting from here. Observe it, everyone. Wavy line like this. How much long you will make? It's 8 centimeter for me. 7 or 8. Make a nice wavy. Yes, Hanisha. Getting it, Ashmit? Okay. Nice, Hanisha. Extend this curve more, going up. Now see, everyone, my reference line. Like this, I am adding. Just like a leaf shape. Okay. And then I will add this part. See, like this. Go inwards. You can see the reference line. Then start from top, V shapes. Follow that curve line. Yes, take your time. Yes, Sanika. Very good, Sanika. Correct. I hope it's clearly visible, everyone. Yes, do it. Okay, Radhika. Sanvi completed. Debanjana, Ashmit, good. Come on, Siddharth. We are almost completed. Come on. Yes. Pointed ends. Good, Adna. Correct. Same tail part we have to make. Starting from here. Just the difference is the end here is curve. Here it's curve. Here we have to show it little pointed and go down. Come on, Spruha. Down will be wavy line. Come on, continue. Same type of eyes. Circle. Two highlights, 1 and 2. This part we will fill later. Okay. Now the beak will start outside oval shape for this. And it's in a slanting manner, down, not up. It's facing down. Observe. First part. Make a V shape. And second V shape. Okay, complete it like this. I'm waiting here. Okay, Radhika. See, Tanvi, this swan eyes has got a little bit big. This is perfect. Just check, both should be similar. Either make this small or make this big. Any one you can do. Done, Anshul. Ashmit, come on. Yes, Anshul, perfect. Good work. Come on, Hanisha. Shera. Sakshat, Samhita. Yes. Come on. Yes, Sakshat, slightly come close. Vaishnavi, very good. Okay, Sakshat. Show Samhita. Okay, good. Any doubt, anyone? Share an eyes. Everyone, I'm just making the moon little bit big. I feel that it's looking small. So I'm just making it little bit big as compared to swan. It's looking little small. So I'm making it slight big. Yes. Very good. Tanvi, you can also make it little big. Okay. Yes, Vedant, correct. Now everyone, in the background, we have to add the water line, river line. You have to use your scale for it. See everyone, from the tail part of the left side swan, we have to go little bit down. Okay, and then place your scale there and add line like this. Continue it here in the background. Same on right side. Okay, come on, take this part as a reference and then add. Yes, Anika, good. On the right side, we have to show two rocks and some grasses. Okay, that will be the last part, then we are done. See, like this we have to add. You have to draw it big. Use a curved line, go down. Second rock, like this. Just make two big size and some grasses. Don't make it too complicated, okay? Because we have to do background blending. It will be difficult to color. Yes, just add four parts like this. Okay, Shera. See if you have on left side. You can show it on any one side. On left side, we don't have space. That's why I've showed it on right. You can change, no problem. Just four parts. That's it. Okay, Sanika. Everyone, under the swans, we have to show water effect. See like this, some wavy lines we have to add around. Just use wavy lines on few places. And a few extra lines. That's it. Complete it. I'm waiting. Drawing part is completed here. Yes, just show me your final pencil drawing. Erase all overlapping lines. Come on, Arna. Vedant. Okay, Radhika. Correct, Anshul. Come on, Debinjana, done. Arjun completed. Okay, very nice, Arjun. Arjun, if you want to make moon little big, you can. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, see the moon circle. Come on, show me your final pencil drawing so that you can start with the tracing. Yes. Okay, Tanvi, now it's good. Yes, Vaishnavi, very good. Nicely done. Come on, Spruha. Okay, Arjun, correct. Done, Siddharth, Hanisha, everyone. Any doubt in the drawing part? Can we start with the tracing? Let me know. Yes, Arjun, you can. Ankita, this line. Okay, Hanisha, Tanvi, Gauri, very nice. Ankita, see, take this swan's tail part for your reference. Just go 2 finger distance down and then add. It's not exactly in the center, little bit down. Okay, Sakshat. Come on, let's start. I'm using normal sketch pen, normal black sketch pen, and start tracing all your pencil lines. Come on. You have to trace moon also. Each and every part. Come on, let's do it together, everyone. If you're using permanent marker, keep newspaper under your sheet and then start tracing. Yes, Adna, you can. Any dark color sketch pen? Yes, dark brown, dark blue. While doing eyes, fill the part completely. Just leave highlighted circles empty. Keep doing, everyone. Come on. Yes, Ishwar. Come on, everyone. Those are done with the tracing. Erase your pencil lines and keep your colors ready. Yes, Shara, you have to. Each and every pencil line we have to trace. Yes, Ankita. Good. Yes. Which part, Ankita? Ankita, you can cut off one grass from here. Just show three. Anything else? Okay. If you are done, erase your pencil lines. Come on, Ishwar, Siddharth, Arjun. Yes, Tanvi, good. Okay, Ishwar, continue. Okay, Radhika, erasing is also done. Shara, at this part, show. Yes, it's okay, no problem. That is okay. Leave it like that only. Good, Sakshat. Let me know tracing part is done. Then we will start. Okay, Anshul. Okay, Sanika, great. Nice, Arjun, correct? Yes. You can keep your oil pastels and a cloth ready. Keep a brush also. Okay. Everyone, check that your cloth is soft, okay? Not too rough. Otherwise, it will take off all the color from our page, okay? So everyone, we are going to start with the sky first. See the colors that we are going to use. See, the moon will be completely white, okay? Around it, we have to make a small layer of white. We have to use color here, okay? White, light blue, light violet, Prussian blue, and at last black. Total 5 colors we have to use. First, let's take out required shades. Come on, first color, white. Light blue, light violet, light violet color. After light blue, then Prussian blue color. Yes, Prussian blue. And at last, black. Yes, Hanisha. Okay, Radhika, use cobalt blue instead of light blue. Yes, good, Hanisha, correct. Come on, everyone, pick out all the 5 colors. Okay, ready? First, everyone check there are no other color particles on your color. Okay, otherwise clean it with the cloth. Arjun, white, light blue, light violet, Prussian blue, and black. The dark one, Shera. Prussian blue, Arna, darkest blue from your set. See everyone, the moon part I'm filling completely. Okay, just do normal coloring there. Okay. Yuvika, take ultramarine blue, any dark blue shade from your set you can use. I'm just giving white color here. Don't leave it blank. You will get a slight effect. Okay, Arna, you can directly start with the light blue. Okay, around moon. Leave moon part white. Okay. Now everyone, I'm giving layer of white around circle. You have to maintain the circular part, okay? See the curve line. Don't add it first, okay? While coloring only, adjust the curve. See, I'm doing this part now with white. It will not be visible, but while blending, it will give us effect. Normal coloring, everyone. Normal pressure. Just go around the circle. See everyone, for you, I'm adding a light blue line so that you will get an idea till where we have to give. this color. Okay, this part completely white. And then you can start applying light blue color around it. Medium pressure, everyone. See, some white space is visible in color part, no problem. As we are going to use cloth on it, it will become smooth. Normal pressure. Yes, continue. Come on. Come on, everyone. Maximum part is with light blue. Don't go with the swans. Doing it, everyone. Do with me. Try to maintain the circular line. Everyone using light blue. Come on. Yes. Everyone, while coloring, see, make elbow movements. Okay. Don't move. Don't make wrist movement. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to fill. Make elbow movements while filling. See, like this. Go in curve manner. Okay. Do light blue like this. This much part. Yes. Show me one stand. Yes. Okay, Radhika. Done, Tanvi, Ankita, Gauri. Yes. Okay, Anshul. Anshul, do more on right side. Check this gap and this gap. Yes. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, see this part. Take this curve more up. Make it even. Yes, Hanisha, Anshul, correct. Okay, Arna. Okay, Sanika. Perfect. Okay, Arjun. You can start with the next color. Next color is light violet. Start from light blue part, little bit overlap color so that while blending you will get smooth effect. Which Arjun? Yes, you can. Slightly overlap everyone. Medium pressure. Come on, Sanvi. Maximum part is with light blue and light violet. Okay. Overlap colors. Come on, Ishwar, Vedant. Started with the second shade. Sakshat, Samhita. Come on, Vaishnavi. Ashmit. Yes, Ishwar. Yes, correct. Continue. Come on, Tanvi. Come on, Debanjana. Gauri. Yes, correct, Tanvi. Come on, Arna. Yes, okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, make this part a little bit big. See the thickness? It's same on both the sides. Come on, Anshul. Come on, last two colors left. Very less part for blue and black, okay? Prussian blue I'm using. You can take ultramarine blue, Antwerp blue, any dark blue shade. Yes, Anshul, correct. Yes, Arjun, correct. See, very small part. I'm leaving for black. Okay, continue. Slight curve line. Overlap the colors, go a little bit on violet part. Come on, show me if you are done. Yes, correct, Tanvi. You can start with the black color, last part. Come on, Siddharth. Very small part for black. Everyone use black color carefully. Don't go on any other part. Okay, like this, complete all base colors. Come on, keep doing. Come on, Sakshat, Samhita. After this, we will start with the blending using cloth. We have to do it together. I'm waiting. Come on, Sanvi, Siddharth done. Ishwar, Vedant, Anisha. Yes, perfect, Sanika. No problem if there is white space. After blending, it will become smooth. Everyone, see, I'm going to use cloth. You have to take one side of it, wrap it around your finger like this, rotate it, hold it tight. Like this, you have to hold. Okay. And we have to go light to dark. Okay. First, we will blend white. Slowly, we will go on blue part and then light violet like that. We have to go. Okay. Come on, let's do it. Start from white. If white is not visible, still we have to do. Okay. Hold your book tight while doing. Now I'm going on the partition line between white and blue. Circular motion. If you feel that it's difficult to do the corner part, you can use your cotton bud there, okay? Cotton bud. Now everyone, once you have started with the light blue, complete all light blue part, then only go on violet. Okay. I'm doing all light blue part now. Yes, Anshul, keep doing. Very good, Radhika. Medium pressure. You can see the difference, the blended part, not blended part. We have got this part smooth. Yes, Pruha, very nice. Now everyone, I'm using same side of cloth, okay, for the next color. I'm not changing it. See, I've started with the violet color next. Blend it nicely, the partition line, hold it tight. Second side, same. Don't skip this middle part. Rotate your book. It will be easy to blend. Yes, everyone getting blending effect. Yes, Arjun. Arjun, check the partition lines. Make it little blurred, blended. Come on. Now I've started with the dark blue color part. See everyone, if you feel that your finger is not going on the small areas here between the wings, you can use your cotton bud there like this. See, if there is any white space, do it like this. If you don't have cotton bud handy right now, you can do it afterwards. Okay, but use cotton bud, don't leave white space. See, now continue. I'm doing the last black color part. Hold your book tight. Okay, come on. Done, Siddharth, Ashmit, Vaishnavi, Sakshat, Samhita. Very good, Vaishnavi. Well done. Anisha, Tanvi, Adna. Then Arjun. Okay, Tanvi, perfect. Okay, Radhika. Those are completed. By that time, you can do the rocks and grasses. Okay, those are done. Can start with that. See the colors. Take any dark green and light green. Do it half. Okay. For the rocks, dark brown and light brown color. Half half. Okay, those are done. Can start. And just continue with the background. The dark green color, half. Normal coloring, okay? Don't use cloth here. Yes, Radhika. Normal light green. Okay. Light green, dark green. I've used normal, okay? Normal light green and dark green. Half part with dark brown or a coffee brown shade from left side. If you don't have two shades of brown, you can take black and brown. Yes, come on. Normal coloring. Yes, come on. Do it like this. Done, Ishwar. Which part you're doing? If you want to show, you can show right now. Dark brown and light brown. Yes, very good, Shera. Ashmit, from left side, dark brown. Other half, light brown. Okay, great, Radhika. Ruha, Hanisha, doing it? Yes, Anshul, correct. Ishwar, it's dark brown and light brown. Come on, Siddharth. Ishwar, nice. Very good, Tanvi. Remove all particles. Once done. Okay, Hanisha. Anshul, correct. Hanisha, use more amount of color. Otherwise, overlap colors. Okay, then you will get nice effect. It's okay, Shera, no problem. Let me know once done, so we can start with the next. Are you all ready for the next part? We are going to start with the swans. Yes, see here everyone, the left one I've used pink and for the right one I've used yellow combination. See over here, what we are going to do first, we will apply some dark patches with rose pink color. Okay, rose pink. Then some parts with pink for medium tone, and the entire part we are going to fill with white. Okay, these three colors here. For the yellow one, light brown, lemon yellow, and white. These three colors. And for beak, orange. Okay, come on, take out the colors now. I'm repeating colors: rose pink, normal pink, take out rose pink, normal pink, and white. And for the other one, light brown, lemon yellow, and white. Yes, you can, Shara. Okay. Orange color for beak. Come on. 6 colors. Ready? So everyone first, dark color patches we are going to add. Rose pink for the first one. Let's see. See, from top we have to start. Medium pressure, okay? Don't make it dark. Start from the face. I'm using rose pink color. Dark areas I'm adding. Start from head part. Okay, like this. Now next dark color over here. See everyone, follow this line. And over here, in every part, just follow this line. Rose pink. If you don't have rose pink, you can use red or a crimson. Come on. You can do with me. Yes, Anisha. Come on. Yes, Sanika, correct. Normal pressure. Same. Do the tail part. Small. Dark pink. Okay. Got it? This much rose pink we have to do. Now everyone, small patches of normal pink. Okay. Normal pink color. See here, I'm applying very less pressure. See, this part is white. Very small parts. Very light pressure. Okay, use it very lightly, everyone. See, only this much light pink. This part will be white. Do this color. Okay, you Tanvi, correct. Dressed all part, do some white. Use white color, okay? Don't leave it blank. We want our light pink and white color to get mixed. So add white. Okay, like this, the base colors are done. Now use the fresh side of your cloth and start blending. Use your cloth very lightly with light pressure. Okay. Use the same side of your cloth for all part. I'm not changing it. Yes, come on. See, the white part will become slight light pink. Using same side, I'm not changing. Just go all over the part like this. Radhika, pink, rose pink, and white. Three colors. Yes, and we done. Got the effect. If you feel that it's difficult to use cloth, use your cotton bud. Yes, hold your book tight. Sakshat, Samhita, come on. Vaishnavi, Debinjana, Gauri, Sherha, Tanvi. Okay, good Shera. Nice, Tanvi. Tanvi, blend color here a little bit. Okay, Tanvi. Sanika, good. Use orange color for beak for both the swans. Come on. Normal orange. Correct, Sanvi. Okay. Now everyone, same type we have to do for the second swan using lemon yellow, light brown, and white. If you don't have light brown, you will use yellow ochre color. Okay. First, what we did here, we did dark pink. So now in the next combination, dark color is light brown. That means we have to use it first. Same step. Start from the face, border, normal pressure. See the wing part. I'm doing border and I'm filling the edges. with light brown or yellow ochre. Yes, come on, we are almost done. Make border for the second swan. It's normal border here. Okay, like this. All dark brown, light brown color part. Now everyone, you can see light pink we have used on very few places. Similarly, we have to use light yellow, lemon yellow in on few patches. See, it's lemon yellow, okay? You can take chrome yellow, no problem. Any yellow shade is okay. See everyone, in the wing part, left side we have to fill yellow. Middle part will be white. Observe the patches. Only this much yellow. See, head part, neck, half part of wing from left and tail. Come on, Spruha, doing it. Rest all part will be white. Don't skip white color. Come on, Sanvi, Sakshat, Samhita, Sanika. Yes. Okay, Sanika, you can start mixing. Debinjana, come on. Ankita, Gauri, Spruha. See everyone, I'm using fresh side of my cloth. Just going all over the part, making it smooth. No need to change. Use same side. Yes, come on. Arna Shera. Yes, Shera, see. Very good, Radhika. Great. Very good, Tanvi. Come on, last part is left. Just let me know once swans are done. Okay, Sanvi, good. Just check there is no white space, okay? Your page should not be visible. Anshul, just see here. If you feel that it's looking a little white, use light pink and make this border, okay? Arjun, you also see this part. If it's looking white, make light pink border here. Means this pink color, okay? This pink color, just use it here like this. Come on, Ashmit. Everyone, for the water part, We have to use 3 colors. I'm taking ultramarine blue for the dark effect. Same light violet color that we have used in the sky. Same. And light blue. Take these 3 colors. Yes, Ishwar. Okay, Radhika. Ishwar, it's nice. Good. See everyone, observe it. See, we have to work in patches. I'm first applying dark patch. Dark blue color, ultramarine blue it is. Okay. Working in patches. You can change it, okay? You can make other patterns, other patches, but use 3 colors. But dark effect is important. Come on. Maintain the direction while using color. See, only this much. I've used ultramarine blue. Vaishnavi, ultramarine blue. Next to ultramarine blue, add patch of light violet. Same that we have used here. Same color. No problem if the white space is visible, everyone. We are going to use cloth on it, okay? I'm also leaving some white space in between. Okay, Anshul. Anshul, use same color that you have used here. Next to light blue, same color down. And at last, the entire part which is white, you have to fill with light blue. Light pressure. I'm not making it too dark. Make elbow movements, everyone. Okay, it will look like this. After blending, you will get very nice smooth effect. Colors will get mixed. Just see that you are overlapping colors. Okay. Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi added some light violet. Come on, Ishwar, Arna, Arjun. Okay, Sanvi, correct. Nice, Sanika. Well done. Now, everyone, I'm using cloth on it. Last step. Just go all over the part using one side, okay? No need to change. Very good, Vaishnavi. Well done. No white space. Hold your book tight while blending. That's it. See, after blending, you will get very nice effect. Okay, Arna. I hope you have completed. Just show me your work. Okay, Arna. Everyone, do share your final work. Okay. Click a nice photo and share it. Share it in the group as well as personally for me for checking. Okay. So here it's done. Write event date. Very good, Tanvi. Nice, Radhika. So everyone, tomorrow we are going to do this watercolor painting. View outside the window. Keep your brush sketch pens also with you. Okay, permanent marker. Check the material list and be ready for tomorrow's class. Come on, everyone, show me your work. Let it be incomplete, just show. Okay, Vedant, Hanisha. Okay, Ishwar, Sakshat, Samhita, great. Nice, Debanjana. Okay, Anshul. Great. Nice. Very good, Vaishnavi. Anshul. Those who have not completed, you have to complete your work and you have to share it, okay? Yes. We'll be waiting for your work. Good, Sanika. Anshul, good job. Okay, everyone. Gauri done. Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's end the class here for today. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care.